We'll start with side plank. Yes, so we will go to plank. Yes, we will try to have your body nice and straight, bum in and belly in. And we have two choices, or we put this foot on the side to help the position, or we can do it directly with the 2 feet together. That is a little bit more complicated. So you can choose here, or put the foot like this and expand, or try to put the 2 feet together and stay. Remember, your shoulder have to be away from your ears. And we relax. And we will try on the other side. So we go nice and slow. Yeah, again, you can do it with one leg, or you can try with both legs. And just here, checking how they do it. Imagine that I'm correcting you as well, so you feel part of the group. And again, always when we work in downward facing dog or plank or any pose on your hands, we relax with the hands beneath your forehead, just to relax your wrists. Notice that we are working on the beach, so the floor is not super comfortable. But in that way, you feel part of the group and you can enjoy the class like you were with us. So we try one more time. So we go up, 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 yeah, belly in, bum in. We try to have a nice straight line. Always you can choose with one foot or both. And we will try again to the other side. And again, we will relax in child pose. Well done. You did fantastic.